Yeah, 20 seconds. And then you only need to do, I'm gonna just like probably outline it only, and I want to see some crease. But hey, you're more than welcome if you want whole and tie the nails. I mean, you want to rub it on and tie the nails, you also can do it too. Oh my god, I'm so in love with this one. Hey, Instagram, Facebooks, and YouTube fam. If you are tuning in, hello. I just really like focus into this cutie. It's just fascinating me. Creating some really cute, fun, and super quick, simple, and easy. Try to do is like slow it so then you can see different like moments, like different section that I'm doing. You know what? If you want to rub them completely, like covers it, it's definitely, I just want to really like it on the outline. What you think?
That look nice.
Looks cool. Hey, Catherine. Hello, how are you? Hey, Junkie.